news that they are trying to appoint you as the president. Is there any?
No, I have already said I am not interested. I said it 6 months back. I have said it yesterday also. So the question of this, but I said anybody he wants to appoint is acceptable to me.
Any name has come forward?
No, I was asked. So I said I am not interested.
So who is going to lead the elections for Congress in Goa this time?
That is up to the High Command. And I told Rahulji that whoever they decide is acceptable.
So you are going to be okay with anybody that they decide?
I said.
What was the
Because
outcome?
personally, I have declined. I had declined it all along, not only yesterday but earlier also. I had told that I wouldn't like to.
Sir, now after the meeting and with the elections so close, has anything been discussed on the alliance?
No. You wanted to know about a party.
But have you put in any
I was
proposals?
invited and I was asked only.
What are the points that you have raised at the center, sir? Any particular point in general?
Any point when they asked me, I have said I am not.